Hey there, welcome back. Today we are checking out the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E5, which is a budget-friendly robot vacuum with some surprising features. But there are a few things that you need to know before hitting buy in 2024. So if you are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews that helps you make smart choices. So first of all, let's talk about the suction power. So the Xiaomi E5 packs with the 2000 PA of suction, which is great for handling everything dirt, dust, and pet hair. While it's not the most powerful out there, so it's more than enough for the regular cleaning jobs, especially if you don't have super thick carpets. It's also equipped with the dual side brushes that help clean along the edges and the corners really well. So your floors are getting a pretty thorough sweep. Now, unlike Xiaomi's higher-end models, the E5 uses the gyroscope-based navigation. It doesn't have the fancy LDR mapping, so you see in most expensive vacuums. So this means the E5 will follow a more random cleaning pattern, which can sometimes take longer to clean the entire area. It gets the job done eventually, but just be aware it might not be as precise as its pricier counterparts. One thing Xiaomi got right with the E5 is the battery life. So you get about 150 minutes of cleaning on a full charge, which is solid for a vacuum at this price point. However, there is no auto emptying feature like in the premium models. So you will need to manually empty the dustbin after every clean. It's super easy to pop out and clean, but it's something to keep in mind. Now here is the bonus. The Xiaomi E5 comes with the mopping feature. So it got the small water tank and a basic mop pad that can handle the light mopping tasks. However, keep your expectations in check. This isn't a deep cleaner. It's a great for removing the surface dust, but if you have got sticky or um, tough stains, you will still need to go manual. So at around $250, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E5 is a budget-friendly option that covers all the basics things. So it's not the most high tech, but if you are looking for the decent vacuum that saves your time on daily cleaning without breaking the bank, this one is a solid pick. So is the Xiaomi E5 right for you? If you are after a simple, affordable robot vacuum with a decent suction and the added bonus of mopping, it's definitely worth considering. Just keep in mind the lack of advanced mapping and the manual dustbin emptying. So that was it for this video. If you want to purchase it, then I have put the best buying link of it down in the description, so do check it out that as well. Thanks for watching.